presently did not own any property and he was staying with his family. 3, during the course of the trial, the accused had visited a nightclub where an incident happened, as a result of which he and another party were thrown out of the club. As a result of this incident, the family of the accused had made a statement to the press admitting that the actions of the accused were self-harming. State Counsel submitted that this statement was in line with Dr. Skoll's report that the accused was a possible suicide risk. With regard to the question of why the accused property was sold, the State Counsel pointed out that the state had no facts or no information to make any further submissions. Counsel for the defense considered that the accused had been found guilty of a serious offense. He, however, submitted that the state had not discharged the onus, that it was not in the interest of justice that the accused bail be extended. He further submitted that the statement about self-harming actions of the accused had nothing to do with Dr. Skoll's report relating to possible suicide of the accused. If something of that nature were to happen, the state was free then to make an application to cancel his bail application. His bail was the argument. I have considered the submissions by counsel. This is not a Schedule 5 or a Schedule 6 offense. For that reason, the onus is on the state to persuade this court that it was not in the interest of justice that the accused bail be extended. I am not so persuaded for the following reasons. With regard to why the property was sold, I am of the view that the explanation given by the accused via his counsel is satisfactory. I am, of course, aware that the state has no information to make any submissions to the contrary. However, in my view, it is my view that if the state had any reason to suspect that there was anything untoward in this regard, or that the properties were sold to enable the accused to take flight, for example, the state would have investigated this matter long ago. I did not hear State Counsel to say that the state was taken by surprise by this information that the properties of the accused were sold. If the state had said that this information had taken it by surprise, it would have been a different situation. Significantly, there has been no suggestion by the state that because the accused is no longer an owner of any property, there was now a likelihood that he might flee. Lastly, I am in agreement with Defense Counsel that if in future there was any incident which entitled the state to approach any court to make an application to have the bail of the accused cancelled, the state would be free to do so. Having regard to the above, I have used my discretion in favor of the accused. I grant the application to extend the bail of the accused on the same conditions. With regard to the dates,
My lady, we asked you to consider a date in October.
yes, do you have a specific date in mind for
It
me?
was the 13th to the 16th of October.
13th is Monday.
The Monday, yeah.
The 16th is?
It's a Thursday or to the Friday, 13 to 17, 13 to 16.
Well, we'll postpone it to the 13th and see what happens.
We will be available and ready.
Thank you very much. That's October. Mr. Roo, I've just thought of something. Please speak to the uncle of the accused. It's important that on the 13th of October, when the accused is coming back for the sentence, there aren't any further complications. Just speak to the person who's looking after him. Thank you.
I'll do so.
Anything else?
Nothing from our side.
Thank you. Court will adjourn.
Carry off, I can call the log.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Are you looking? Maybe you can see.
See what I can do now.
Boy.